Cooper Standard is about a $4 billion automotive tier 1 supplier. So we are a core part of the automotive industry in that we supply seals and fluid delivery systems and brake systems to majority of the OEMs. So Cooper Standard footprint was about 100 different sites in various continents and countries around the globe. So when we looked in 2019, we found that there is a process where I can actually take my business processes, my look and feel, the change management aspect which I need to do, and minimize it completely and move it into an S4. So we found that doing this thing as a brownfield gave us the biggest bang for the buck, because I do not have to go ahead and do a major change management at a training across 80 different sites at the same time and have a big bang approach and do that. Let's first take the baseline, move it into S4HANA. Once we are on S4HANA as a foundation, let's build on top of that. For example, my plant in Mexico, my mixing plant in Mexico, wanted to do plant maintenance on mobile. I said, let's go ahead and put a mobile application for that plant where I can do plant maintenance on. So now my change management is manageable, that I do only for that plant. And I use that as my pilot to say, if this works, now I can roll it out to other plants on that. The number of apps out of the box coming out of an S4 is huge. And not only that, the whole analytics framework is huge in S4HANA. But what we found was we hardly needed to give any training. So that's another core piece for people to go in, is you can continue from ECC to S4 without missing a beat. I think this is a very sensible approach for a manufacturing company where we are at, and this really helps to say that, guys, the risks are lower. At the same time, from a technology perspective, they are at the higher level of the technology. It's not a one-time or a weekend event. This is going to be the foundation for my company for the next decade. That kind of event is not something which we do on a daily, weekly, or yearly basis. We need to have a partner who understands your business and who is coming to the table with the newer solutions. Capgemini has been a partner. They brought in great processes about program management, technology, so that we can kind of get the maximum out to the business when it comes down to delivering a solution, both from effectiveness side and efficiency side.